Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First in this TV, let me go to settings. Tap on this settings icon from top right corner. Tap here. Then go to network and internet. Select this option. First we have to turn on Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi here. Then here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. First we have to connect this TV to Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot. That is a step 1. So let me go to step 2. Go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, open settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go to connections. Tap here. Here you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi router Wi-Fi 2024 or mobile hotspot. So first we have to connect both TV and mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network or same mobile hotspot. After that, open Google Play Store. Tap on this Play Store icon. Then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open it. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Tap here. Then we need to log in with Google account. Then tap on this devices tab. Tap here. So here we can see the name Google TV. That means this phone has detected Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network. So tap on this Google TV name. Tap here. Then tap on customize screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. Done. You can see screen mirroring is working. So this way we can do screen mirroring. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in both TV and mobile phone. If you want to stop this screen mirroring, you can again open Google Home app. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Then tap on stop mirroring. Done. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.